how to set the aspect ratio for Smart View mirror screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then tap on Connected Devices. From here, we go down, then tap on Smart View. In here, tap on the More button, then tap on Settings, and then tap on Set Aspect Ratio. From this screen, you have two options. You can set a full screen on phone or full screen on connected devices. So this is what it looks like when you when you have chosen full screen on connected devices. You can see the black parts down here and at the top. Whereas if you choose full screen on phone, it will show everything within the frame. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.